How to find someone on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss if you can find someone on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you will come to the browse section like this. While we talk about finding a particular person on Grindr, as you can see in the interface, there is no particular search option. That means you can't search for a particular name or an ID. So basically, the simple search option that you can find on other social media is not available in Grindr. However, there are a couple of methods by which you can search a particular type of profile. The first method is to of course use the filters. As you can see on the interface, there are various filters that you can apply to search for particular type of profiles. So you can simply go to the filters and then apply the particular type of filters and then look through all the available profiles to search for that particular one. The another method that you can do is to search through the tags. As you know, there are some tags that you can use on the Grindr app depending upon your location. So if your location supports the tags, tap on the particular tag and then explore the area of that specific person. If the person that you are looking for is on the Grindr app, then you might find one with the particular filters or the tags. So these are the couple of methods by which you can find a particular type of profile on Grindr. However, there is no direct option to search for a specific name or user ID. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.